Good morning, children. This is another social studies class. Previous class we started about pollution, our environment and pollution. So what is the environment, children? Whatever we can see, living or non-living things together, it is called environment. It is comprised of all things like land, water, then soil, rocks, animal, bird, whatever you can see around. That is made up. It is our environment is made up of all those things. And in an environment, why it is so important? Because we all are dependent on each other. Means living things or non-living things, all are interdependent. Means we see, if you see this air, water, land, up to these three things. These all three are very important for our survival. Not only us, all living beings. Okay, so everything, plant, animal, then water, land, because on soil only plants will grow. So you think about everything is important for us. So we should preserve our environment. We should take care of our environment. We should not pollute it. So next what we learned after environment, that what is pollution. So any unwanted thing is getting mixed up in our environment, that is only called pollution. Be it air pollution, be it water pollution or land or noise. So any unwanted things it is. So we discuss about air pollution, how it gets affected air. All dirty smokes from vehicle, then our house chimney, then factory, it gets mixed up in the air. Then we burst crackers, that also, then sometimes burn garbage. So all these harmful gases, it gets mixed up in the air, and that air, if we inhale, it will be affect our lungs and our breathing problem. So that we understood. Then water pollution, how it happens, like some people, they take their animals to the river and give bath and they wash their clothes. Then we dump garbage in the water, then factory waste, it is getting mixed up in the water. So like that, water gets polluted, and that water somehow it gets mixed up with our drinking water also, and it is affecting our health, then animals also. That is one thing. Then land pollution. Land pollution, though, anybody can see. Wherever we go, we spit on it, we throw the garbage on the open land. Then plastic, unnecessary, we use plastic covers and all. Then after using that, we throw it on the land. That is on the factory waste also. It gets dumped on the open land. That is one thing. Farmers, for agriculture purpose, they use lot of pesticide and fertilizer. So that gets mixed up in the land. So like that, it gets polluted. So in that polluted land, that crops we eat, means that also affect our health. So polluted land, how it is affecting us, it can have skin allergy, then lung and sometimes cancer also. So poisoning happens. Okay. So up to that we discuss last class, air pollution, water pollution and land pollution. Today we'll discuss about noise pollution. Sometimes we watch TV and put on the full volume. Then the music system put full volume. Sometimes that vehicle, somebody is driving car, means unnecessary, they honk the horn. So that sound, then any festival comes, means we put some mic and so much sound, it will come. So what is noise? Noise means our ear, we hear with our ear, this is our ears. So it can tolerate a certain level of sound. Beyond that sound means it is called noise, means what it is not good for our hearing. Okay, so that is only noise. What is unpleasant, but we cannot hear for a longer time. That is only noise, like loudspeaker sound, then horn from the vehicle, then too much volume from TV, radio, music system, then bursting crackers. Okay, so all these things, it is polluting. That is only called noise pollution. That noise is not good for our ears. People can become deaf also. So that is only noise pollution. So noise pollution, what is it? In your book, you can see 287 page. 287 page. I'll read for you, children. Noise pollution, I'll read for you. See here. Sound of TV, radio, other appliances at home, sometimes mixie, then machine, factory, that continuous noise, bursting of firecrackers, loudspeaker in public place, honking of horns of vehicle, Loud noise can damage our ears, can even cause deafness. Okay. So this is one thing. So since we all depend on environment, we get everything, our food and we breathe air, we drink water. So everything is present in environment. We should not pollute it. How to avoid pollution? Now we'll discuss that. Next ways to save our environment. See, first thing, it is plants. Plants or trees are our best friends, They take up all the pollution themselves. So it cleans the air. So we plant more and more trees. That is the best way to keep our environment clean. So plant more trees. See, trees, they take off all the dirty air and they are giving us oxygen. Okay, that is needed for all birds, animals, we. So oxygen only plants can provide. They take up all the dirty air, carbon dioxide. So how to save our environment? Now we'll discuss that. Okay. To save our environment. To save environment. To save environment. But one thing we can do, everybody can do. It's not a difficult one. We can plant one tree. So plant more and more trees that anybody can do. At home also you can do in pots or any open area is there, you can plant a tree. It will give you fresh air that your surrounding will be clean. So plant more trees. We should not cut unnecessary trees. Sometimes to widen the road or some construction work, people, they will cut off big trees. It takes so many years to grow like a big tree, like a full grown tree. It takes so many years, but in that one day, just cut it off for their own purpose. Okay, so that is very bad thing. Big tree, they should not cut it. So plant more trees. Plant more trees. Then what we can do? Use of polythene. Avoid plastic. Avoid plastics. That is very dangerous for the land. Okay, because plastic, polythene, it will never get degenerate and it will never get mixed up with the soil. So avoid plastic. Then no crackers, no bursting crackers. So bursting crackers is very worst thing because it makes so much sound also, and the smoke, it is poisonous smoke. It gets mixed up with the air. It is very, very dangerous. No bursting crackers. Your small children, you also can say no to your parents, because for your happiness, maybe they will buy and give you for Diwali crackers. You become responsible. You say no, we don't want crackers. Okay. So that you can do, no bursting crackers. And use dustbin. So for to throw waste, this thing, no, we should use closed dustbin. Use closed dustbin. So these few steps we can take. Then some vehicles are very old vehicle, they give very harmful black smoke, that they can check. So that we can, by that way, we can reduce air, water, land and noise pollution. Then loudspeaker, very limited use and certain volume they should maintain. So in this way we can, little bit we can save our environment, because environment is very important for us. And one more thing, we should not waste water, should not preserve water, preserve our natural resources, preserve water. Unnecessary waste of water is not good, because water is very less. Although our earth is 75% water we say, but drinking water is only 2%. Potable water or drinking water we say, no. Clean water, drinking water, it is only 2%. So we should not waste drinking water. That is, we can do like this. We can save our environment. One more time, plant more trees, because plants only can make our air clean. Avoid plastic, no bursting of crackers, use closed dustbin to dump garbage and all, preserve water. Water is very, very important. Okay, so this much you understood. Now, few new word for you, I'll read for you. Pollution, presence of harmful substance in the environment, that is called pollution. Pesticide, a substance used for destroying insect harmful to plants, that farmers, they use that. Fertilizer, a substance added to soil to increase its fertility. To grow more crops, healthy crops, farmers, they use fertilizer. Polythene bag made of thin plastic, garbage, rubbish or waste material. Now go to next page, children, 288. So all lesson I told you, summary you should read. So that is, let's recall. Our surrounding, including, this is summary of all full lesson. We should read this. Our surrounding, including all living, non-living things, make up our environment. Harmful substance in the environment cause pollution. Smoke and dust are the main cause of air pollution. Dumping of waste in water, water bodies cause water pollution. Throwing waste, can, polythene bag in open spaces cause land pollution. Sound that is not pleasant to our ear is called noise. Loud noise from horn, loudspeaker, firecracker, machine and vehicle cause noise pollution. Okay, so this is the lesson about our environment and the 4 types of pollution we discussed. Now we'll do the exercise, children. Exercise first, it is fill in the blanks. And today's homework also I will give you. Now, it is on page number 287, I think. Yes, 88. 288. Okay, write the fill in the blanks, correct spelling. I'll give homework also. Next. So, first main is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay, I'll write only the answer. I'll read the sentence for you. What is the question? Our surrounding, including all living, non-living things, make up our dash environment. So write the spelling correctly. ENVIRONMENT. Environment. So whenever big word, no children, you make it small. ENVIRON, environment, MENT, like the small. You can make little more simple. ENNVIRO, environment, MENT, like the small 2-3 letters you take and you learn. It will be easy for you. Environment, make it 3 part. Environment. Next one. Number 2. When some harmful substance enter the environment, it is called pollution. 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 Number 3. So number 3, what it is? Sound that is not pleasant to our ears is called noise. Noise. Planting more trees makes the air clean. CLEAN, clean. So this is one main. So what is the question? Our surrounding, including all living, non-living, it is environment. Some harmful substance enter environment, it is called pollution. Sound that is not pleasant, it is noise. Planting more trees makes the air clean. Okay, next one. True or false? I'll write now. True or false? So write the answer in your textbook directly, and this fill in the blanks I'll give for homework today. I'll mention the end of the class. Second main is true or false. True or false? Throw all waste on the ground. False. Number 1 is throw all waste on the ground. No, false. We should not do that. Number 2. Next. Use of loudspeaker cause noise pollution? Yes, true. TRUE, true. Number 3. We should not waste water. True. We should not waste water. True. Number 4 is water pollution causes asthma. False. See, asthma is caused by air pollution. It is related to lungs, breathing problem. It is only called asthma. So water pollution, no, air pollution causes. So that's a false. One more time. Throw all waste on the ground. False. Number 2, use a loudspeaker cause noise pollution. True. We should not waste water. True. Water pollution causes asthma. False. Next, multiple choice question. So this one you wrote, I think. So third main is MCQ. Multiple choice question. Third main. Smoke and dust causes dash. First one. Number 1. A, B and C. 3 options are there. What is the question? Smoke and dust causes air pollution. So B option. C, can you write here? Air pollution. Air pollution. And within the bracket also you should write B option. Within the bracket, we write B option. Then, this is one. Number 2. Like this, bracket is there. A, B and C option is there. We should not use dash bags. Jute, paper, plastic. C option you write and write the answer here. Plastic. We should not use plastic. Number 3. It is noise pollution is caused by number A option you see firecrackers. Firecrackers, right? FIRE, firecrackers. CRACKERS. Firecrackers. A option you write. Number 4. A dash is a non-living thing. What is the option? Tree, bird, rock. Number 4. So this much over, I think. So number 4 I'll write here. Number 4. A, B and C. What is the question? A dash is a non-living thing. A, B, C. Third option you see rock. So that is the answer, rock. R-O-C-K, rock. Okay, now today's homework. EVS homework. So whenever you write homework, that day, suppose today's homework, today's date only you write and you write the homework. Okay, learn and write. So EVS homework, learn and write. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. One time enough. From textbook. Textbook. TB means textbook. Page number This is first main. You understood, no? First main today, huh? Learn and write. First main. Fill in the blanks. First main, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. One time from textbook, page number 288. Page number 288. Where you should write, I told you, take one single book. First half, single book, same one book. First half, you write English homework. Second half, middle page onwards, you write EVS homework. Don't waste page, children. For 1 4 lines, you give me one full half page. No. How much space is possible, you utilize. Okay, don't waste unnecessary page. Okay, thank you, children. Have a good day.